Hello everyone. Today we are gonna to discuss about a topic which is Indian journalism media is biased or not. So let's start from me. So, Indian journalism first I want to talk about how it's biased. It's biased because of too many of things. Because of some journalists, most of the journalists talk about some politicians, some trending topics, some powerful people which did a crime or not. They will talk about them only, not talk about the people who is suffering too much and who is suffering from many things, and not about the trending topic which can harm us in the future. So most of the journalists only talk about the politicians, like when a politician, like election used to happen recently, election went, in which most of the I used to saw the news channel in which in every news channel there was a one thing like this person did this thing, this person did this thing. Every journalist was talking about a politician, he was supporting him, and that's why the journalist was biased to the politician, because there might be a chance that the politician bought them, and because of that most of the journalists got bought by the politicians. Yes, that's why the journalists are biased to politicians. Thank you.
From my opinion, they are biased because of some things, like they are biased for money. The politician do that. They bought some journalist for their advertisement, like I am good, and the journalist will do that. They will talk about only their good things. They will hide all the bad things of the politician, and these are done by the powerful peoples by giving money, and rich people can do these things. And from my opinion, only money is not a specific reason for biasness of journalism, because there are more specific reasons like favoritism for religion and cultures, like they are supporting different religions and dividing the peoples in different parts, and this leads conflict between different peoples, like they are fighting with other religion and culture, that they will think that they are not equal to ourselves, and they will think that we are rich, and we are belongs to rich culture, and they are not belongs to rich culture.
So my one more opinion is that, as you can see, most of the journalists are not talking about the good things or the future of the India, but most of them are talking about the nonsense and the things which happened in the past. Let's take an example of a Z cinema in which the Z News, and in Z News the debate used to happen in every evening, in which there was a data from 50 debates. There were two two debates which were useful. First is that PMC bank scam, and second is that Bihar floods. They only did two debate out of 50, and in that 48 remaining debates they did nonsense, like you can say talking about the Pakistan, criticizing the opposition, and sometimes they seven times, maybe seven times they praise the Modi ji, and they are praising it's good, but why they are doing this kind of thing? Why they are not talking about the future of India? Why they are only talking about the problem of society, like there is too much of people which have been suffering from the starvation? Why they are not talking about the, why they are not talking about them? Why they are talking about only politicians, about the powerful people? In 50 debates they only talked about two. If they drainage system, they like Bihar floods they talked about. So if they would talk about the 50 out of 50 debates would be good, and future of India they would talk about them in that debates, so it would help our India, and the politicians and the government need to change that, because journalists are the people which take, which can highlight the problem and also take the problems of the people, the citizens, to the government easily. Thank you.
So the biasness cannot be happen on TV and mobiles. This can also happen by printing on newspapers. Like they are journalists are brought by different parties, and they will write on newspapers like their things, like they do these thing. These are good things that they are providing to us, and they are writing that thing, and they are also criticizing other parties, like they are not doing these things, they are doing many things that can harm us. So thank you.
So my point is that journalism cannot show the thing which for our in our surrounding for the normal peoples for their problems. You can say that many of the childs and many of the poor people, they are suffering from many kind of bad problems. Because of that, they don't focus on it. They are just converging that on the topics of politician party, in the elections and many other things.
So I wanted to say another I wanted to say another thing about the journalism, in which what would happen if the journalism in the if the journalist would talk about the future of India, the problems of India, the bad drainage system, like scams of India, cyber crime, and etc. things there are, rape, harassment, women safety, and etc. things. We if the equality, everything, every problem in India, if they would talk about that, so what could happen? So our India would be a good nation, and in that nation everybody would live properly. There would be no harassment of girls. Girls can become independent properly, they can complete their dreams. And talking about the people and the journalists will be best thing, and everyone wanted to be a journalist, because journalists are the people who you who would choose the path of truth. They will not say the path of, they will not say lies, they will not say any kind of bad thing. So it's good. Thank you for listening from my side.
So from my opinion, during elections they are gone from their path. Like during elections, they are talking about different parties, and they are not talking about the other. Like they should do that thing. This party should do that thing for the people they are suffering from, and they are not talking about. They are talking about favoritism.
The condition of villages, schools, hospitals, infrastructure of sports, the future of sports in India, they are talking about why
So
we are not getting that much.
So, while journalists are not talking about the rural areas are also not good. The districts, the wards.
It's not about the road and the street light. Many more things. The problem is the core problem, like studies, schools, hospitals, the basic facility is not available.
So, why the journalists are not talking about the rural areas, the properties, the technology, and etc. things, like talking about only the Olympics. In the Olympics, India didn't won, so journalists can ask the question to the government that what government is doing for the Olympics. They can ask a question. No one will harm that, and most of the people, most of the citizens will support them. And talking about another problems, like in the rural areas there are some school which are not able, in which the students are not able to study properly. So if they would ask another question to the government will change it properly, because the journalists.
Otherwise,
Hmm.
society will change with government.
Yes. Otherwise, the society, with the help of democracy, they will change a new government. They will make a new politician, which would be good. And because of that, no one would be able to buy the journalist, and that's why the journalist will not get bought by the politicians and the powerful people. On that time, journalists would become best.
uh, during the during the that I have told, and also that I have told, and the journalism are only the way to expressing the things, their favorite things, and the people demands, like if any people demanded more and more money to the journalism, they will go to their path, and they will talk about what he will say, and what first person will say, and he will not talk about the specific topics, like what government should do, and also the society problems, and also many things.
My ending thoughts would be that the journalists should give more opportunities, should be given more opportunities, and being a journalist, and the journalist should get a rule, and he should take a plan in which he would only choose a part of the truth, and grow the country, his nation, he will they need to grow their nation, and they should grow their nation. It would be their place. So it's my ending remarks. Thank you.
So, from my ending remarks, they should do this, like they should talk about the society problems, and also like just take an example of the conflicts. Like if the different religions are fighting, they will make more and more fight. So they should not do these things also, and they should not
Spread.
spread more and more
Fear.
conflict.
Should not spread fear.
They should not spread fear to the other peoples.
Last people.
And my ending remark is that they shouldn't do any kind of bad things, and like only they shouldn't do work of the politician parties, and also they should do focus on the other things, like what happened in our society and other things for the poor people.
Comment.
So if you have any doubts, any points, comment down. We will like that, and I will also saw that. Thank you for watching this side. We all ambience. Thank you.
Subscribe.
Like, share, subscribe.